I got the choke on right now, y'all. Yo, hold on. What it do, you two? We are fucking back, y'all. I really pray. I'm taking a big shot right now. I did not test and see how this mic sounded. This is just a choke on right now. Don't mind that. Hold on, let me lower it for y'all so we can talk. Yeah, like I said, I put the fucking mic in, put it onto the helmet, did like a little wire setup, and just went riding, bro. So hopefully, bro, the joint sounds good, yo. Right now, we're about to see if my friend has chain lube, cause Rona. I mean, you can't say that. I'm stupid. Yeah. So hopefully they have chain lube. He has chain lube for me right now, cause I didn't realize how bad the chain looks right now. Hopefully you guys can see, cause I have a different setup, and I'll take a what I'll do is I'll take a picture and I'll show you guys the little setup that I have, and if you guys want a more in-depth breakdown of what I have, then I'll put it as another YouTube video. But I'm gonna send you a video. I'm gonna take a picture and put it up, and it'll probably pop up right about now. It's like, nah, let me stop playing with y'all. I'm just waiting for the text real quick. Just wanted to say what's up to the subscribers real quick. Yo, we on the way to 200 subs. Let's fucking get it, bro. Like, yo, that's crazy. We almost there. Just my friend just got a BMW S1000, which is even more crazy, bro. So I definitely got to get street bike worthy. Get a street bike soon. Thinking of an R6. If you definitely know any other bikes that I haven't like said, he had a Kawasaki 650. I don't think I really want that. I don't really want a CBR, and I'm not a big Suzuki guy, so I think I'm gonna just go with the Yami. Nice little Yami. But my fucking goggles are fogging up big time right now. Let's let this bike warm up a little bit. See how this fucking thing feels in a little bit. So I did see a cop all the way down like near the school, but I probably won't go near there. But to get to the field that I normally practice my wheelies at, that's how I get through there. But we'll find another way to it. But other than that, bro, like I said, 200 subs on the fucking way. We are fucking lit, yo. What I'll do is I'll probably just go around the neighborhood for a little bit or something. Yeah, man, so hopefully you guys can hear, yo. I'm so happy, bro. Hopefully you guys can hear me on this fucking mic now. I'm so fucking happy right now, bro. You don't know how hype I am. So I finally have the fucking mic in. Now I can tune this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Hold up. You know what I'm saying? Like, we lit. Let's get it, bro. If you guys want to know what the setup is, like I said, I'll drop a video for you guys or something. Hopefully no Karens call the cops on me. I'm riding around. Yeah, I'm thinking about going to a trail or something. At first I wasn't thinking about riding today. I'm like, damn, maybe I could drop some gaming content or something. I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. These guys waited last week. Y'all didn't get y'all got some ass fucking quality, fucking stupid ass, gay ass, fucking quality fucking content. So I was like, let me make up for it. So now I took off the I did take off the fucking I had a case on, a waterproof case on the GoPro, but then I realized I have a subscription with it, so I'm like, why did I get that? Because it's like the warranty is like it covers it no matter what happens to it. So that's good. So now I don't have to fuck around with no case. I was worried about the lens, and I'm thinking about getting a different lens. If you guys know any lenses that would be perfect for me in my riding and my vlogging and shit, if you guys could let me know about that, let me fucking know. What I saw in some comments though, I was peeping the comments. I be seeing everything, bro. I try to respond back to even the hate comments. Fucking dude comment like, oh, horrible Willie. I'm like, good looks, bro. Fuck it, you know what I'm saying? So I was seeing that, and I saw a lot of people say try to pump the clutch. And I think maybe the next video we'll try some more wheelies and trying to get that more down. Progress for you guys. I'm gonna go back to that spot. I missed this low 150, but I've been thinking about getting a 250 and letting go of the baby the first time. Alright, well I guess we'll ride around a little bit, go through the neighborhood and shit. Let me see if I can wheelie right here. Oh no, it's probably snowy as shit. It ain't gonna work. The guy was saying, practice a wheelie like slow. He was saying go slow, like do it as like a starting point. He said that keep your foot down and then just pop the clutch. But I can't pop the clutch like that, but I don't know why. I'm not good at it. I gotta just keep practicing, but it's really too much snow. Like it's too high for me to try to practice here. I want to see if the cops at that school real quick, and if not, we'll just continue going to the goddamn field. But I'll catch back into y'all when we get to the school. See what they said. Let's see if he's over there or not. I don't think he's there. Fuck it, for the YouTube video. We only live once, you know? I don't see nobody. I think we in the green. Let's get it. We are lit. I'm telling y'all know how hype I am to fucking have this mic right now. Let's go the long way, just cause I got a mic and I'm hype as shit. Okay. Nope, I gotta drop it here. Yeah, man, a lot of my friends haven't been riding, bro. They've been slacking. I've been slacking. I haven't been making good ass content for you guys, so I'm gonna try to make up for it this whole week. I'm gonna try to make like 3 videos, some good ass editing. I'm gonna put that shit at like the fucking the resolution like 2.7K or some shit. Drop some bangers for y'all motherfuckers, man. Yeah, this thing is too deep for some wheelies right now. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, but I've been thinking about getting the 250, man. Right after I get my R6 and shit. Oh shit, almost bust my ass. Yeah, 250. My one friend's like, why do you get a 250? Just get a 450 and learn. I'm like, bro, I'm not trying to fucking die, okay? I just had a 150. But we'll see. We're gonna see how the R6 feels and shit. And if I can handle that, I low-key might just get a 450. Finally able to communicate with the gang, man. Let's get it. One more time. There you go, there you go. Talk to him. This fucking field probably snowy as shit. I don't know, man. Days like this, I wish I had a fucking quad so I could just do donuts. Heart's been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. They say it's snowing, and I really want it to be summer. Facts though, real shit. Man, bro, this shit is deep. I hate that. Yeah, it's too deep. On some like, I would get caught by the cops on some shit if I was out here, bro. This shit, I can't even keep my balance. There you go. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Almost bust my ass. Hopefully this is a good angle of everything too, so you guys will see. It feels like fucking straight ice. You got the black forces on, don't fuck with me, you know? These ones is beaters, bro, they're old as shit. But got the black forces on, you fuck with me, I'll beat your fucking ass, you understand me? Let me see something, hold on. See if I can do a wheelie right here. Nah, bro, I can't. It's not coming up. It's like it's trying to grab traction right now. Let's just ride through the neighborhoods, I guess, and talk to you guys, because that ain't gonna grab. So I just ran over dog shit. Great. Yeah, in the summertime, yo, I used to ride by myself anywhere. But it's so cold out, I don't even really want to go no that far. But in the summertime this year, I'm on the R6, boys. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. Fucking do some dumb shit. Fuck it. Probably turn around. I don't know, cause I think this takes me on like a main. Yeah, we're gonna turn around. Cause I don't want to go on no main road right now. Bust the Yui. Let's get it. Yeah, look at the pool. That shit fucking damn. I'm like really chilling right now, bro. I want some shit. I feel so lazy. He got his hazards on. What you doing, buddy? Fuck you. Yo, what's up with the kids? What's up with the kids? Let me get the fuck out of this neighborhood before he called the cops, because he looked like type bull to do it. What's up, bro? I don't get it. Niggas really get jealous because they not having fun right now? Because you had to go to fucking, you're sad ass, fucking sad to a job, fucking 9 to 5. Fucking dweeb. I think we're gonna call this one a video and try to get into a trail the next video, because the trail's like right up the street. Yeah, so we'll try that. If that don't work, we'll just take it home or whatever. So give a like, bro. Give a fat ass like. Hopefully you see this thumbs up. Don't mind the gloves, bro. Just keep me warm. Chill. But like I said, give me a like. Yo, on the road to 200 subs. We are fucking popping, bro. I feel like I'm famous. Nah, let me stop. Man, I want to fucking famous. But yeah, on the road to 200 subs. Give me that sub button. Hit that sub button for the 1 time. Hit that like button for the 2 times. And leave a comment to let me know if you got any bike suggestions, helmet setups. Like I said, there's gonna be a, well, you saw it right, there's a fucking picture of the bike, the helmet setup, in the beginning of the little bike vlog. So, like I said, peace and love. I'm not Nick Merckx, what the fuck? All love out here, man. Everybody stay safe. All the riders stay safe. You already know. I'll see y'all in the next video.